Oh, these darn handles on this table broke. I'm done with it. Hey, how's it going, everybody? What's going on today? Well, today I'm repairing these 5-foot lifetime table handles. They've broke on me now about 10 or 15, gosh, 12 years or so ago. My wife and I started a crafting business, and we bought these 5-foot lifetime tables that came with this nylon handle with this nice leather handle to kind of pad your hands as you carry these tables. Well, in the last year or so, these straps broke, and I've been trying to carry these tables in and out of craft fairs, and it's been a challenge to say the least. So today I'm going to take you through the process of repairing these handles and getting new handles onto these tables. I hope this can help somebody out there who has these same 5-foot lifetime tables. So here we go. So I'm re-recording the audio of this portion of the video because the wind was horrible and I couldn't hear anything when I went to play it over. But like anything, when it breaks, you research how to repair it. And I couldn't find anything online. So I went to Amazon and looked up handle replacements for lifetime tables, and I came up with this. And this is a kayak handle made for kayaks. You would screw it onto the kayak to help you carry it. I figured, let's give it a try. So I bought these, and I'm gonna use this to repair the tables. It has a pretty stiff rubber handle area that's pretty comfortable. It has nylon straps with a hole pre-drilled in it. All you need to do is just screw it on. Okay, let's get this table open. So the old handle is held on by 2 rivets there and there. And the first thing we're going to want to do is get those drilled out. I'm using a 9/64 drill bit here. It's a slightly larger drill bit, and it might vary for you, but it's a slightly larger drill bit than the rivet head. You can drill through the rivet head. The idea is to pop the rivet head off so that the nylon handle can be removed. Okay, once the rivet head has been drilled off, you can cut off the nylon strap with the scissors, and they'll just slide right out from around the frame. Alright, so this is the new handle and how it's going to sit. It's not going to use the same rivet hole that the rivet was made. It's a little too short, so you're going to need to screw it onto the edge of the frame here. And here I'm using a center punch to help mark the area where I'm going to drill the new hole for the screw. And the center punch is nice because it leaves an indentation in the metal so that when you go ahead and put your drill bit to it, it centers and drills down. I'm using a 1/8 inch drill bit here to make the hole for the screws that were provided in the kayak handle kit. Now the kayak handle kit came with 2 different types of screws. One was a pan head screw and one was a countersunk sheet metal screw. You're not going to want to use the pan head because it's not made for metal. Use the sheet metal screw. It'll grab into the frame much better. Here I'm drilling in the screws into the holes that I pre-drilled. Now when you drill it in, go at a low speed so that it grabs into the steel frame. If you go too fast, you may strip the screw head. So just take your time as you screw it in. All right, now for the test. Yep. Just like new, better than new. These upgraded grips are really comfortable. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope this helped somebody. Have a great day. Aloha. Oh, one more thing. Before I go, I forgot to mention that I'm gonna link the handles that I use in the description below for you to find it very easily on Amazon. All right, guys, have a great one. Aloha.